Welcome to another SeongLu Kitchen episode. Today we're going to be recreating my mother-in-law's favourite dishes. Don't just thumbs up in the background. We're going to be recreating my mother-in-law's side dishes that she made me whilst we were in Korea, and I absolutely love them. She definitely made them for my taste and something that I want to be able to enjoy here in Australia now that we're back. Now you might have noticed our background has changed. We have officially moved house and we have our own space. And another exciting thing is that we just came back from getting married in Korea. On top of that, we just spent the last week with Seong's family in Australia. So there's a lot of exciting things that have happened and it has been very busy, but beautiful. We have made some changes, so you may notice that it's now officially SeongLu Kitchen on this channel. We really want to be able to focus on cooking and food here. If you do prefer a little bit more of a personal style and also want to know more in depth about the wedding experience and the whole thing we've just discussed, head over to my new channel, Lucette Pak, and that is where all of those things will be. So please go subscribe because it's a brand new channel. Now let's get started. It's been too long since filming. I did ask Seong to get the recipes from his mum, so she has sent them, and then Seong has translated them in our SeongLu Kitchen book. So we are going to be making two recipes today, which are stir-fried potatoes and seasoned soybean sprouts. And we're going to go through the recipe step by step with you so you can also learn how to make these. If you do make it, then please do hashtag SeongLu Kitchen so we can go and have a look at it too. And I highly recommend it because they're absolutely delicious and something we're probably going to be making quite a lot.
But you forgot to say in Korean. How do you say in Korean? The dishes.
감자. I can't read your Korean. 감자 볶음?
Yes.
Ooh. Which is the potato one.
Yep.
Then 콩나. How am I meant to read that? 콩나. What is that, Una?
콩나물 무침. 콩나물. Yeah, 콩나물. 물 is not the water.
That is not. Okay, I'm sorry, but how is that an M? We are going to start on the seasoned soybean sprouts.
Wrong. I think I recommend you to peel the potato, slice it, put in the water while it's in the water, soak in the water. You can do bean sprout.
Let's do that first and then we'll get back to showing you that once we get to the potato. But really, secretly, I'm just going to show you the soybean sprouts right now. I want to prepare spring onion and garlic first. I'm going to now cut these. Husband? My husband. I'm now going to cut the garlic. Oh yeah, trust me, it's quicker for all of us. I can cut these things, but it will take a really long time. And with filming and being hungry, I want it to go quick. I'm gonna rinse your bean sprouts. Now what you want to do?
Blanch it.
Blanch it for 3 minutes. Our bean sprouts are fresh, washed, cleaned, ready to go. Oh.
Yeah.
Now we are going to season the bean sprouts. So we have our garlic and onion, spring onion ready to go. So we're going to add that. And it says to add sesame oil and chili flakes.
Put salt.
Yummy salt.
No, that's just normal salt.
Oh, normal salt?
Yeah, just normal salt. Looks good.
Is that sugar?
Is that sugar?
You gave me sugar, I think. It's sugar. You got the nice crunchiness from the blanch, then the nice go seasoning, and then the yummy sugar and salt, and the garlic and spring onion. All of that combined makes this delicious banchan.
But turns out, tastes good. Yeah.
Yeah. For my own personal preference, I love it when it is sat in the fridge for a little bit and chilled. So I'm going to pop this in a container and then pop it in the fridge for a little while we do the potato. Now we're going to work on the potato. So first you need to peel and very thinly slice them. We're now going to be draining our potatoes and seasoning them. Now that our potatoes are drained, we are going to season it with salt and dashita. Dashita?
Yeah.
Now that we've got it all seasoned, we are going to heat up the pan with some oil and then give it a nice fry. Wow, yum. Beautiful. Yay! Let's eat. Potato one. Oh my god. Oh, it tastes just like your mom's.
Yeah?
Yeah, it does.
진짜 맛있어. Yeah, we had a mistake. Sugar.
It's good. It tastes like your mom's. Yeah? It does.
If there was a little bit more salt, it'd be more better. But
Yeah.
so good, very nice, very fresh. Well done.
Good job. We have some leftover kimchi jjigae that Seong did make, which is absolutely delicious. It's not enough for, well, it is enough for two. We're going to share this one. We've got some fried egg that we enjoy. This is typically what we'll have for breakfast in Korea.
Yeah.
And now we can have it here too. And I think you might be making bibimbap with yours.
I wanna, because this is very good for bibimbap ingredients. So I wanna have bibimbap.
So you have a lot of this.
So bibimbap is actually all the side dishes with gochujang paste. You just mix it up. That's bibimbap. So I'm just gonna put this and this.
I want to try it.
You wanna try? And sesame oil and chili, gochujang. 맛있어.
감사합니다, 어머님. Thank you for making me these.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. I should stop it.
No. Why not? Nice thing.
Oh. Do you want it?
Me?
Yeah.
To say?
Yeah.
No, you do. Just tell them, try our recipe. I'll put it in the description. So.
What he said. I'm gonna end it like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Just gonna finish like that?
Yeah.
No follow, subscribe, this kind of thing.
You've said it.
Follow and subscribe.
See? You can do it.